Hello. Welcome to 3-to-1 Design. Tropical design is an architectural and interior approach designed to take advantage of and adapt to the tropical climate characterized by high temperatures, high humidity, and significant rainfall. The primary goal of this design is to create spaces that are comfortable, cool, and sustainable by utilizing natural materials, good ventilation, and harmony with the natural environment. Here are some key elements of tropical design. Natural ventilation, air circulation, designing buildings to allow maximum airflow to reduce heat and humidity indoors. Large and open windows, using large windows, sliding doors, and cross ventilation to improve air circulation. Use of natural materials, wood and bamboo. Materials, like wood and bamboo, are used because they have good insulation properties and provide a natural aesthetic. 49. Natural stone. Using natural stone for floors and walls to help keep temperatures cool. Roof and structure. High roofs. Designing high roofs to allow hot air to rise and exit through top vents. Wide overhangs. Roofs with wide overhangs to protect walls from direct sunlight and rain. Integration with nature. Indoor gardens. Integrating plants and gardens into interior design to aid in natural cooling and provide a green aesthetic. Integration with nature. Indoor gardens. Integrating plants and gardens into interior design to aid in natural cooling and provide a green aesthetic. Natural lighting. Sunlight. Maximizing the use of natural sunlight for daytime lighting, reducing the need for electricity. Skylights and roof vents. Using skylights and roof vents for additional lighting and ventilation. Skylights and roof vents. Using skylights and roof vents for additional lighting and ventilation. Effective drainage. Effective drainage systems to avoid waterlogging and flooding. Adaptive design, adaptation to local environment, designs that consider the specific climate and environmental conditions of the building's location. Local cultural and aesthetic elements, incorporating local cultural and aesthetic elements into the design for a harmonious blend with the surroundings. Aesthetic elements, tropical colors, the use of vibrant colors inspired by tropical flora and fauna such as greens, blues, yellows, and earthy tones brings energy and life to the space. Cultural touches, incorporating local art, textiles, and traditional design elements adds a unique and authentic touch to the decor. Functional beauty. Practical layouts. Spaces are designed to be functional and adaptable, with open-plan living areas that can be easily modified to suit different activities and needs. Comfortable living. The emphasis on natural ventilation and cooling ensures a comfortable living environment, reducing the need for artificial air conditioning. Sustainability and eco-friendliness, energy efficiency, designs that maximize natural light and airflow reduce energy consumption, making the home more sustainable and cost-effective to maintain. Rainwater collection system, implementation of technology to collect and utilize rainwater. Renewable energy, use of solar panels and other renewable energy sources to reduce environmental impact. Tropical design combines architectural principles that focus on sustainability, comfort, and integration with nature, creating spaces that are not only aesthetic, but also functional and environmentally friendly and offer a harmonious and tranquil lifestyle. Thanks for watching. See you to next video.